Blinker House in Super Assembly in Singapore. By adopting a context-sensitive approach, the architectural design of a shell encompassing a living space has the capacity to regulate the interactions between its occupants and the external surroundings. This intentional openness and closure of the structure enable the desired living experience to be facilitated, as it harmoniously engages with the environment. In the crowded city-state of Singapore, finding spacious areas with unobstructed natural vistas is a precious rarity. Blinker House, positioned on the outskirts of a densely populated suburban area, was designed as a solution to shield sight lines of neighboring properties while embracing the limited glimpses of the natural scenery towards the back of the property. A walkthrough of Blinker House. Blinker House is designed with a formal arrangement of 3 stacked volumes. The lower volume serves as a public area, accommodating guest living spaces and service areas. A spiral staircase leads to the second volume, where the view of the forest at the rear opens up horizontally. This volume contains the main family living spaces, designed with an open plan that overlooks the pool, outdoor terrace, and the scenic landscape beyond. As for the third volume, it houses the private bedroom areas, placed around the perimeter. This layout allows each bedroom to have access to natural light and ventilation, which can be regulated using operable screens. An enclosed internal circulation area, illuminated by a curved skylight, serves as a pathway to the bedroom spaces. Elevating the ground. By elevating typically ground-level programmatic spaces like the main living areas, swimming pool, and outdoor terrace, these areas are afforded a view of the forest behind the house. On this elevated level, specific enclosed spaces such as the kitchen and movie room are strategically positioned to obstruct the sightlines of neighboring properties. This intentional placement ensures that one's attention remains undisturbed by external distractions, allowing full immersion in the natural scenery. To further enhance this effect, the fenestrations within this section are recessed and accompanied by vertical elements, acting as barriers to prevent unwanted views from the sides. In this regard, the design of the house functions as a selective mechanism, enabling it to detach from its immediate surroundings while embracing the lush views and meditative pool and terrace. Tailored to accommodate a close-knit family spanning 4 generations under one roof, the design reflects a deep understanding that a house serves as a space for ongoing connection among its inhabitants.